there has been talk that if Zig cannot buy fuel, if Zig cannot buy a passport, and so forth, then why should people want to have it? But I need to answer this by saying that we are in a multi-currency arrangement. Government has said from June, all QPD payments are going to be made 50% in Zig. That step was taken in an effort to increase demand for Zig. Because one problem that we identified before we came up with the Bank President was that there was no demand for Zig whatsoever. The only people previously who were forced to accept Zig were the likes of my brother, Mr. Richardson, and the supermarkets and the chains. And they were saying, why just us when the whole market is not accepting Zig? So, government has led the path by announcing a 50-50 in an environment where we are 80-20. What that is going to do, if it hasn't quite crossed the mind yet, is that come June, there is going to be a huge demand for Zig. We've only got 80 to 90 million US dollars worth of Zig in circulation. 50% of QPD is 150 million. So, why I keep repeating this is to forewarn people that you may be the owner of a fuel garage machine and you say, I'm only selling my fuel in US dollars. Fine, well, but you are also going to have to pay tax in June. Where are you going to get the Zig? Especially given the dynamics I just presented, where the actual amount of Zig in circulation is less than what is going to be required in total. So you are actually better off selling some of your fuel right now in Zig, so that come to you have the Zig in place. But this is just me just giving you friendly advice. The rate for Zig is going to strengthen. In fact, that is one of the few times where us as a set of